Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unpin My AI on Snapchat. If you want to unpin My AI from your chat feed on Snapchat and you don't know how, then this video is for you. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To get started, open up your Snapchat application. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. And from the camera page, swipe towards the right-hand side of the screen. In the chat feed, you'll be able to see My AI. Press hold to your My AI conversation thread and tap on chat settings. Select Clear from chat feed and tap clear, and you'll be able to see that you've successfully unpinned My AI on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.